Everyone thinks the best-selling replacement battery for the LG V20 is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, SHENMZ LG K20 Plus battery. The SHENMZ LG K20 Plus battery caught my eye right away, especially at just $12.95. With a solid 4.3-star rating from over 1,100 reviews, it seems like a reliable choice. If you're looking to revive your LG V20 without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Imagine going from 0% to 100% in just a few seconds when you swap batteries. It ensures you won't have to constantly hunt for a charger, matching the standby time of a new OEM battery. Plus, it's designed with grade A cells that promise over 1,200 charge cycles, so you can feel confident in its longevity. Now, some users have mentioned that the battery life doesn't feel as strong after a few months of use. Here's the thing though, if you follow the initial charging instructions carefully, you can maximize its performance for quite a while. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, quick fix for your battery woes, but skip this one if you need the absolute highest capacity. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need a bit more juice. Product number 2, TOZ40 800mAh LG G5 battery. Next up is the TOZ40 800mAh LG G5 battery, priced at $14.59. With a 4.2-star rating from nearly 2,000 reviews, this battery is a crowd favorite. If you want something that packs a punch, this is worth checking out. It's designed to handle over 800 charge cycles, so you won't be swapping batteries every few months. Plus, the built-in IC chip protects against common issues like overheating and overcharging, which is such a relief. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You'll spend less time tethered to a wall outlet and more time actually using your phone. Some reviews mention that it can take time to reach its full performance. But let's be real, that's common with most batteries. Just be patient during the initial cycles and you're golden. This is perfect for you if you're constantly on the go and need a reliable battery, but skip it if you want something meant solely for the LG V20. Now, if the previous battery's compatibility bothered you, this next one has you covered. Product number 3, ASDAWN BL40 4E1F replacement battery. The ASDAWN BL40 4E1F replacement battery is next, coming in at $13.88. With a solid 4.2-star review from over 560 buyers, it's a popular choice. If you need a dependable replacement for your LG V20, this is worth a serious look. It's built using grade A cells, which promise around 500 cycles of charging, so you won't find yourself swapping it out too often. The built-in microchip also provides protections against overheating and short-circuiting, which are crucial for safe usage. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With a proper charging routine, you can get your battery back to peak performance, making your phone feel new again. However, some users noted that it didn't fit their phone perfectly. Here's the thing though, as long as you double-check your phone model before purchasing, you should be just fine. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly battery that gets the job done, but skip it if you're concerned about fit and compatibility. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next battery might just exceed your expectations even further. Product number 4, ASDAWN BL40 5B1F battery. Next is the ASDAWN BL40 5B1F battery, priced similarly at $13.88 and also rated at 4.2 stars from 562 reviews. If you're looking for reliability, this is worth considering. Offering a capacity of 3,000 mAh, this battery can keep your phone powered throughout the day. The fact that it promises 48 hours of standby time means you won't be left stranded with a dead phone. Plus, with safety features like protections against overcharging, it's designed to give you peace of mind. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You'll gain time back in your busy life without worrying about your phone dying unexpectedly. Some feedback mentions that the installation can be a bit tricky. But honestly, if you take your time and follow the instructions, most users find it manageable. This is perfect for you if you want a dependable battery with solid performance, but skip this one if you're not comfortable with DIY tasks. Now, if you're still looking for something with a little more power, you'll want to hear about the next product. Product number 5, ASDAWN BLT46 battery. Finally, we have the ASDAWN BLT46 battery at $15.88, also rating at 4.2 stars from 562 reviews. If you're after something that offers great longevity, this is worth a glance. With a capacity of 5,000 mAh, this battery can seriously extend your phone's life, allowing you to go longer without needing to recharge. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You can get through even the busiest days without worrying about your battery dying on you. However, a few users reported issues with charging speed. But honestly, as long as you use the recommended charger, most find it performs quite well. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a high-capacity battery for heavy usage, but skip it if you're looking for something cheaper. To wrap things up, we've looked at 5 solid battery options for the LG V20 today, each with unique benefits. Whether you're after budget-friendly or high-capacity alternatives, there's something here for everyone. So there you have it. From the budget-friendly SHENMZ battery to the high-capacity ASDAWN BLT46, each of these batteries has something unique to offer. Think about your specific needs and choose what works best for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content.